Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you a quick way to make a fisheye effect in DaVinci Resolve. And this is the best tool that I've found for it on the free version, so let's get into it. So I've dragged this clip into my timeline, you can see what it looks like here. But what we want to do is go over to the Fusion tab. And in Fusion we want to go to Effects, and then click on Open Effects and search for Dent. Now it's going to be really extreme when you first start it up. You want to change to either type 2 or 3. It's going to be 100% up to you. I'll go with type 2 usually. But for this video we'll do type 3, and you want to adjust the size and the strength to whatever is preferable for you. And then if you go to edge behavior over here, you can choose to either reflect or wrap around, again fully up to you. And Dent is really the best tool for creating the fisheye effect in your video. And don't be like me, make sure to make proxies of your timeline clips. Anyways, that's all I got for you. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.